Om Namah Shivaya. I want to share very, very precious knowledge which is very good for yoga therapists. We all know the whole universe is made up of 5 things. What are those 5 things called? 5 elements in English. In Sanskrit we call Panch Mahabhutas. So what are these Panch Mahabhutas? Fire, air, space, earth, water. So I am going to explain very micro details so that when you want to give therapy to the students, when you want to recommend any mudras to students, it becomes so easy for you. So first of all, you remember that there are 5 bhutas. I am repeating. Fire, air, space, earth and water, 5 elements. If you notice, each finger I am representing. So the thumb represents the fire element. Index finger represents air element. Middle finger represents space. And ring finger represents earth element. And little finger indicates water element. So I will talk about these 2 fingers. Very interesting. If you see our ancient times, even today in villages, when they feel thirsty, means when the body is becoming heat, they start feeling thirsty. Thirsty indicates that the water content is less in the body. So the body indicates. So in school days, what we used to ask teacher, Madam, I want water. Why it is water? Because there is a fire. I'm feeling thirsty, indicates. And to go to bathroom, excess water in the body. Now water has to leave the body. So to go to washroom, we used to say, take permission from teachers, Madam. So remaining 3 elements also have got significance, but these 2 fingers, we know since our birth. Yeah, first step, program these 3 fingers, all the 5 fingers. Yeah, and then every video I'll make it sure that it's a 3 to 4 minutes video so that you will grasp the knowledge and you will help the students. Pakka. Om Namah Shivaya.